Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another demo. This demo is basically related to Microsoft Power BI, and the problem you are facing is that you are unable to download the file which I'm sharing with you, and you are unable to open it in your your Power BI desktop. So the prerequisite is you have to have a Power BI desktop installed in your PC, and then let me show each and every step so that you are having a clarity. So first of all, I'll download the file you shared with me, which is sales. Then sorry, I'll download this one, sales, and then I'm going to download the CRM file, which you shared finally with me. And then I'll go to the order, which I submitted. Let me open the delivery. Here you can see I'm doing everything on screen so that you are having a clarity that this is working. So I'm going to download this Power BI file, which is .pbix. All right, this is also downloaded. Okay, now I'll go back to the downloads folder and show you what to do with those. Meanwhile, let me open the Power BI desktop version as well. All right. So these are the sorry, these are the three files which we just downloaded. The Power BI desktop file, which is a zip file, obviously, as you said that you are getting a zip file. No problem. We can just cut these files from here and maybe I'll move these to a different folder and then pick those from there. All right. I'll create a new folder, place the data in this folder, and now I'm going to access the PBI file and I will show you how to open these files. All right. So I have opened a new instance of Power BI and this Power BI is a different account. All right. So I'll click on new. Then I'll go to the file. I'll go to import. I'll click on the Power BI template. And here it's going to ask me the folder. Let me track Power BI files. And here you can see, all right, here you can see there is no files can be visible. So I'll click on this right bottom and click on all files so that I can see my files. All right. So now I can see the zip file, which is Don Fabio dash version 3, which I just downloaded it from, and I'll double click on it. Once the file will get start opening, it will ask you to link the data. This is why I downloaded the data before downloading the PBIX file. You can see it's showing an error, no problem. You can close it, wait for a while. This is going to open everything. All right, you can see this is opened. Let me trust because the data is there with it. We just don't have the linked data with it, but the data in the system report is already there. So you can see everything is working fine and changing. So I'll click outside maybe, and then I'll again go back to the file, options and settings, data source setting. You can see this file is not linked currently with our system. So I'll click on it, which is CRM, new file, change source. Then I'll click on browse to navigate it to. And you can see this is the Power BI files folder. This was the CRM file. I'll just double click on it and click OK. And then again, I'll click on the sales file this time, change source, browse, sales selected, OK, close. Now it's going to link the data. For that, you need to apply the changes which you just made in face of change source. You can see loading the data model, preparing their data, 50 rows added, everything is working fine. Now let's try again. You can see this is perfectly working. You can always go down to quarter one. There is no data available for the quarter one, but there is no data available, a little data. Let's go to the quarter three and see the full format. Sorry, we are in quarter two, so we can see the data in this one. And we might have some blanks as well because you haven't provided me the whole data. So I'll click both of these. And we don't want to see only Danius, we want to see everyone. So you can click outside. Maybe you can uncheck that and you can see everything is visible. This is expected, I think, delivery date, and this is the initial date. And if you want to see any particular sales reps, you can always see that. And you can see the data is interactive and everything is working. You are able to open it even though it is a PBIX zip file. This is not a PBIX, but a zip file. So now you can save this in your, like publish it on your workspace, download, save it as a PBIX file. Maybe you can file, save as another PBIX. Maybe you can call it browse this device. Then you can go to again back to the, you can see now it's asking you to save the PBIX file. New dashboard. And let's see, you can see we have a new dashboard PBIX file, which again you can always save to share it with anyone. I know the Power BI is a very a new feature or new app and not very easy to not very friendly to use with. So yep, this will get evolved for time with the time. And yeah, the sharing is a bit tricky thing in this for the time being. Let's see how it goes. All right, so that is it from my side. Please do let me know if you still find any problem or if I missed something. We can always sit on a call. Maybe, I don't know if I can assist you directly on your PC, but these are the all steps you need to know. And this is how you can get the access to and link the data. Sharing the data by linking it through OneDrive. I have already shared that in a separate video. Please do go through that too, in case if you want to link the data through your OneDrive. So that is it from my side. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.